Last week, Uganda's Supreme Court made a landmark ruling delivered by the Chief Justice Alphonse Owiny-Dollo, suspending all civilian trials in the General Court-Martial and declaring the trying of civilians in military courts unconstitutional.
All charges or ongoing criminal trials or pending trials before the courts-martial involving civilians must immediately cease and be transferred to the ordinary courts of law with competent jurisdiction.
Despite the ruling being seconded by numerous lawmakers, the president, on the other hand, labelled the ruling a wrong decision, defending the trial of civilians armed with firearms in military court-martial, stating its essence in maintaining national security and stability.
I want you to know that the peace which is there now is because of the correct things we did. So therefore, I ask you to support the NRM strongly so that we maintain this correct line.
Picking thought from legislators on the president's statement today, they dismissed the reaction, pointing to the relevance of upholding the doctrine of the separation of power into three arms: executive, legislature, and judiciary.
In other jurisdictions, we do not have that provision. Actually, we should completely abolish court-martial. Because it does not follow the procedures of law.
The three arms of government are in charge of this country. So for him to speak that way was ill-advised, if he was, and it is a shame.
The challenging bit with Mr. President, for him, he wants things to be done his way, which is not. The court must be independent. The independence of judiciary means that whatever they have ruled or they have judged, we just go by that. If you have a reason to appeal, you appeal.
On the issue of the president tasking the Attorney General to propose amendment to the constitution of the laws, there were mixed reactions, with some welcoming the decisions and others strongly questioning the intentions behind it.
The Attorney General should also tell him that there is a constitutional provision which do not allow members of parliament to amend or alter a court judgment.
It cannot be seen to legislate against a decision of court, against a ruling of court. It is not acceptable as per Article 92 of the Constitution.
As per the President's communication, if an amendment is brought in Parliament for consideration, we shall handle it. We shall process it to ensure that the court-martial is formalized.
There has been piecemeal amendment of the Constitution. We need now a comprehensive amendment of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda.